Hi, good to see you here. In today's lesson, I will be discussing what animation is and some basic terms you should know. So, first is what is animation? Animation is basically an illusion of movement. It's not really moving, it's just composed of still pictures that is shown to you at a certain rate, and it gives off the feeling or the illusion that something is moving. So when I was young, I always draw on textbooks. On one page, I draw a stick figure with a certain pose, and on the next page, I draw the same stick figure character but on a different pose. And I flip through the pages back and forth, and it gives off an illusion of movement. So basically, that's what animation is. Frames per second, or FPS, means how fast or how many images is shown to you in 1 second. So for example, in a 24 FPS or frames per second means 24 drawings are being shown to you in 1 second. 30 FPS would mean 30 drawings are being shown to you in 1 second. Now in animation, you can either animate on ones or on twos or on threes or on fours. So what do this mean? So on twos basically mean that one drawing would consume two frames, meaning one drawing is being exposed for 2 frames. On ones would mean you draw in every of the frames. So in 24 frames per second, animating on ones would mean you would create 24 drawings. Animating on twos on a 24 frames per second would mean you would only need to animate 12 frames. So on threes would mean that one drawing would consume 3 frames, and on fours would mean one drawing would consume 4 frames.